This sound is made by David Koupil. Send this video to someone who you kinda love. So the person who sent you this video really loves you and wants to marry you. And this is all I have. And now for the second part of this video, or third part, I want to say that well, there's actually one story with girl. So when I was in, I think, second grade, I was in love with someone, like really in love with some girl, and I didn't know how to tell her. I didn't know how to come out to her and say I love you or something. So I did the worst thing I could do. I come out to her. I kissed her, and she then beat me up. I end up in hospital with broken nose. So only just one advice: please don't kiss someone before asking them, because you can end up like me in hospital with a broken nose.